Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Prep. Today we are going to solve further type 2 questions in the app. As we already downloaded the app, now go to type 2 and keep solving the problems. Now type 2 question, first one, it is given that the minimum value of 2 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is how much? It is given 2 sin square plus 3 cos square is how much, right? Here 2 sin square plus 2 cos square plus cos square theta. Here 2, if we take common, sin square plus cos square theta plus cos square theta, we will get 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 2 into 1 plus cos square theta, 2 plus cos square theta. As we all know, sin theta and cos theta always lies between 0 and 1. We already know that cos theta value, minimum value is 0, so substitute the value 0 here. So 2 plus 0, which means 2. See, the option is third option, answer is 2. Now going further to second question, if cosecant 39 is x, then the value of total it is given. In order to solve like these questions, you have to know some basics. Now I will tell the basics which are required for followed by questions also. We already know sin theta is equals to cos of 90 minus theta, and tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Secant theta is equals to cosecant 90 minus theta. We can also take this as theta 1 and this as theta 2. Then we will get theta 1 plus theta 2 is equals to 90 degrees. Means whenever if we say like this, we already know sine values and cos values. For example, if we take sine 45, means theta is 45, then cos of 90 minus theta cos 45. So sine 45 and cos 45 values are same. For suppose if we take theta as 30, sine 30 is equals to cos of 90 minus 30 means cos 60. Sine 30 and cos 60 values are same. In the similar way, if as we know, we will be having theta values like 30, 45, 60 and 90. We all remember all these values for sine, cos, tan, secant. But if we are given one angle, like if theta 1 is 51, then theta 2 automatically becomes 90 minus 51, that is 39, right? If for suppose sine 51 is given, we can directly write it as cos 39. If for suppose tan 51 is given, we can directly write it as cot 39. Similarly, if secant 51 is given, we can directly write it as cosecant 39, right? Now it is given that cosecant 39 is x. Cosecant 39 is x, which means cosecant means 1 by sine. So sine 39 is 1 by x. If it is 39 degrees, sine theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite is 1, hypotenuse is x. Then this will become x square minus 1. It is 90 degrees, then it will automatically become 51 degrees. Now we have to substitute the values. See, it is given 1 by cosecant square 51. Cosecant square 1 by cosecant square is sine square. So it becomes sine square 51. 51 is here. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Is that clear? Sine 51 means opposite side by hypotenuse. So root over x square minus 1 by x whole square, because it is given 1 by cosecant square 51 whole square. So we are taking it as sine square 51 whole square. Similarly, next sine 31. Sine square 39. Sine 39. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. 1 by x whole square. Next, tan 51 square. 51 is here. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. X square minus 1 by 1 root over whole square minus 1 by sine square 51. Sine means opposite. Root over x square minus 1 by x into cos square. Cos square or secant square. 1 by secant square is nothing but cos square. Cos square 39 is adjacent by hypotenuse. Both will cancel. Here x square minus 1 plus 1 plus root square root and root will go, x square minus 1 to minus 1. Here 1 will get cancelled. X square by x square is 1 plus x square minus 2 x square minus 1. So finally, after solving all this equation, we will get the answer as x square minus 1. That is third option. Next, going to third question. Before going to this question, you have to get some basics. Like, see, if tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to 1, then theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees, and vice versa. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees, then tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to 1. Similarly, for cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equals to 1. Theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90. And sine square theta 1 plus sine square theta 2 equal to 1 if theta 1 plus theta 2 is equals to 90 degrees. Sine square theta 1 plus cos square theta is theta 2 equal to 1 if theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90. You have to see the difference. For tan and cot it is multiplication. For sine and cos it is plus, and for sine and sine it is plus. Okay. Now going to third question. See, tan 4, tan 43, tan 47, tan 86. See, tan 4 plus 86 is 90 and 43 plus 47 is 90. So tan 4 into tan 86 is 1. Similarly, tan 43 and tan 47 is 1. So overall the answer will be 1 into 1, 1. Option 3. Okay. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is saying tan theta plus cot theta. So simply cross multiply. Tan plus cot is equals to 2 tan minus 2 cot. So taking this into other side, we'll get this cot is this side. 3 cot is equals to 1 tan. This cot is 1 by tan, right? So 3 is equals to tan square theta. Root 3 is equals to tan theta. So this implies theta is 60 degrees. Sin 60 value, it is asked sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, fifth question. Cos x plus cos y is 2. Then sin x plus sin y. Simply put some values. If x is equals to 90 degrees and y is equals to 0, cos 90 is 0 plus cos 0 is 1. So it's not equal to 2. So we have to put x equal to 90 and y equal to x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 cos 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So sin x plus sin y equal to sin 0 plus sin 0 is equals to 0. Sixth question. We already saw this type of model. See, tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, tan 89. See, means here given dots, that implies tan 4, 5, 6, 7, so on till 89. I already told you that 1 plus 89 is 90. Next again 2 plus 88 is 90. 3 plus 87 is 90. So it goes on repeating. Then this value will be totally as 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So the answer will be 1. The measure of angles of a triangle in the ratio. Okay, then what are the angles? Value of angles it is asked. See, 3 angles ratio is given. 2, 7, 11. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 11, 20. So 20 parts is equal to 180 degrees. Then 2 parts is how much? 7 parts is how much? 11 parts is how much? So hope you are getting. 20 parts is 180 degrees. Then 1 part is 9 degrees, right? Now it is asked 2 parts, means 18 degrees. Next 7 parts. 7 nines are 63. Next 11 parts, 99 degrees. So going through the option number 2. 9 degrees, 18 degrees, 63 degrees and 99 degrees. Option 2. Next, going to next. Angles of the triangle are given, then the value of x. We already know sum of 3 angles is 180 degrees. X plus 2x, 3x. 3x plus 3x, 6x. So we write 6x plus 5 minus 3 means 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is equals to 180 degrees. Taking 6 as common, x plus 1 is equals to 6 by 180. 6 3s are 18. Okay, x is equals to 29. Then we can directly write it as 29. Option number 3. Right. Next, going to 9th question. As I already told, cot theta in theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equals to 1 if theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees. Whenever the question is like multiplication is given, you have to search for sum of two sine functions or a trigonometric function should be 90 degrees. See, 80 plus 10 is 90 and 20 plus 70 is 90. Cot 60 we already have that value, right? So cot theta into cot 80 is 1, cot 20 into cot 70 is 1, cot 60 value is root 3 directly. So for this type of question there is no need of putting pen and paper. Okay, next, this type of question is very important and we have to be careful while solving. Don't keep on solving for many methods. I'll tell you one simple method. Please follow that. You will get the answer very easily. See, this 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square is 4. So this 7 sin square theta you can write as 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square. Why you will be asking why we have to write like that? Means if here it is given 3 cos square theta, right? So if we get here 3 sin square theta, if we take 3 common, then we will get 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. We already know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I am writing for you 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equals to 4. 7 we are splitting it as 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equals to 4. This if we take 3 as common, 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and if we take this as this to other side, we will get 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4 sin square theta is 1, sin theta is 1 by root 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. Then the value of theta is 30 degrees. But in the question it is asked the value of tan theta. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Thanks for watching, friends. Please do subscribe to my channel for more questions.